What is the difference between leadership and management? These concepts are not interchangeable, and there are several differences between them. Let's take a look at these differences. First, they differ in terms of perspective. Managers tend to get things done today. They manage day-to-day operations and they work towards short-term goals. Leaders, on the other hand, think about the future. They create and dispense the vision, and they set long-term goals. Second, leaders are often responsible for making changes and doing things differently for the good of the organization. Managers, however, are responsible for maintaining stability throughout the workday by following standard procedures, processes, and policies. Leaders are tasked with aligning the various business units, departments, or groups, and aligning the organization's vision, mission, strategy, and goals. Managers are tasked with creating assignments that get the work done and meet the organization's goals. In other words, managers take care of each puzzle piece while leaders put them together. While it's important to know the differences between leadership and management, it's also important to remember that many people serve as both managers and leaders in one role. What these roles look like often depends on the organization. Despite these distinctions, leadership and management share some similarities. Both are essential functions within organizations, meaning companies need both to succeed. Both are attainable by everyone because we can learn to be more effective in both of these roles. Both utilize OB concepts such as motivation, communication, and teamwork. This means the topics you learn about in this course are relevant to your management and leadership potential.